youths that are here, it is your future that they are toying with. Take back your country. This country belongs to you. It is your future that they are toying with. You must take it back from them. It is not their country. And you must take it back from them. And how will you take it back from them? How will you take it back from them?
What this chamber approved was 819. And we said that the other monies that has been spent cumulatively to, was it 20-something trillion? That the details should be provided. It has never been provided to date. This committee or whatever should find out what happened to the money. And some people must be held responsible. Or at least they should come and explain to this Senate what they did with the money. Now it's time that people are looking for their money anywhere. Where is that money? As my privilege.
And feel bad and do everything, but let me thank you. You have no other country except this one. And only you can do this. If anybody is telling you, those people out there, they don't know you. They don't care about you. If they care, they will do things differently. You will see it in their behavior. You will see it in the way they do things, the way they feel, the way they move, and everything. In that, because they are doing that, what I beg you is that you must, like Olisa pleaded, get up and decide to join politics. Get up and decide to be part of it. The man who is leading the revolution in Hong Kong is 17 years old. He's 17 years old. My dear people, the society we have them to abuse today will take its revenge on all of us tomorrow. Thank you and God bless you.
Yes, Peter Obi said it all. The society we abuse today will take its revenge on all of us tomorrow. That tomorrow came too soon. When a child is dancing the surrogate dance, the child should be told that surrogate dance is the dance of the dead. When a child sells the father's land to buy a trumpet, on which land will he stand to blow the trumpet? Nigerian masses are hungry, but the senators are busy allotting billions of dollars to themselves. Nigerian masses are hungry. They are spending billions buying jets for the president. Nigerian masses are hungry. Prices of goods and services skyrocketing. They are building mansions for themselves and for the vice president. What is the rationale? Are these people living in the same planet with the masses, or they are shielded from the sufferings of the masses? The society we abuse today will take its revenge on all of us tomorrow. Will be warned. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and please share this video. Share this video. Share this video. A nation without a vision perishes. Will Nigeria become another Kenya? I pray not. I pray not, and I pray not. See something, say something, and please do something. Until we meet again in this arena. Cheers. Like we say all the time, be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. This is Open Whispers. Thank you.